How to fix Instagram posts not showing on my profile. In order for you to fix this issue, first move into application Instagram. Once you're in this page, move into your feed. Now swipe down the screen and refresh the page. This will show the post. If not, close the application and reopen it. If it doesn't work, then check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. Once done, now move into settings. Head over to general and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, you have to scroll down and move into Instagram. Tap on Offload app and then once again click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It should also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. If not, head over to App Store and search for Instagram. Right over here, you have to make sure that your application is up to date. If not, click on Update and update it. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.